Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about topics or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk UI good settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here, you will search about KakaoTalk and you click. Here you click on first stop and you click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.